everyone. I know it's been a while since I've posted a Obby Creator video, but today I made Fun Flood at Squishy's but old Roblox, and I wanted to show some of you or whoever's watching. But yeah, here we go. And I think there might be copyright, but I don't know. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nope, I'm dead. Retry. Nope, I'm dead. Kill me already. I'm already dead again. Well, another retry. Here we go. Nope, kill me already. Why do I suck? I absolutely suck. Norby! Holy spud. Oh, it's So yeah, that's basically it. And all these were made a little bit from images, but like for example, I took image reference from that and Gregoria and a little bit of the little green balls, but not really. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. It took me like 5 days to make it. Bye.